welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, I can't stop smiling because I'm so excited just to be sitting down finally after pretty much the longest month ever. So where did we leave off? Like, when was the last time I actually talked to you guys? Let me figure that out. Okay, so the last time we talked, it was my office makeover video, and that was literally like a month ago, you guys. So straight after that, I ended up going on spring break. I went on a cruise. It was so much fun. But you guys know, like, I was on my A game in February and January. Like, I was uploading all the time, having so much fun with it, and then like randomly this month school just decided to slap me in the face. I had to take care of the really important things in life, like school, trying to get my education, trying to graduate on time next May. So that's all taken care of, and this is literally the first day I've had in pretty much a month just to kind of like sit down and finally get my shit together. So as a way just to kind of like come back from my little break, I just want to sit down and talk to you guys and tell you guys some of the things that I loved the month of March, some of the things I didn't like the month of March, talk to you guys about my future plans for the next few months, and just kind of like a really like fun sit down and chit chat video. So let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, guys, so the first thing that I've been absolutely loving the month of March, especially because it's been finally getting warmer here in North Carolina, but these native deodorants are my new obsession. So I have eucalyptus mint. This one is actually unscented. Coconut and vanilla. I actually have not tried this one yet, but I'm so excited to. Citrus and herbal musk, and then the final one is lavender and rose. This one smells so good. I think this one's probably my favorite. So what I love about these is the waxy material. So when you put it on, you're not going to get anything that sticks to your clothes. That always ends up happening to me, and it's so embarrassing. But they're all clear and very like waxy, as I said. So Native was super sweet, and they actually sent over an extra box with 3 of these samplers. They're actually the big size though. So this one is unscented, this is coconut and vanilla, and this one's lavender and rose. So as I said, the lavender one you guys are going to love. It's my favorite, so I'm super excited that one of you guys is going to be able to test these out, and all you have to do is just leave me a comment below, and then follow me on Instagram. Make sure you're subscribed as well, and in a week I will go ahead and pick a winner, and I will send this out to one of you lucky guys. Also, for those that are wondering why I have this random bruise right here, and I don't think you can see it, but I have a big bruise right here. My sorority's formal was last week, and let's just say I took a tumbler too, so that's the reason behind that. You're not seeing things. I definitely do have a big bruise that's quite painful, so hopefully that'll go away soon. Alright, so if you guys have not noticed yet, which I didn't want to mention it because I wanted to kind of like keep you guys guessing, my hair is different. So if you guys have been with me for a while, specifically like more than the past 2 years, you would know that I'm actually naturally a brunette. I started dyeing my hair blonde about 1.5 years ago, and once you kind of like start dyeing your hair blonde, I feel like it's really hard to just go back to the natural color you were, because you're like, oh my gosh, I've already like spent all this time and money, I better keep going blonder. But then a few months ago, I just kind of like got tired of it. I just wanted to be back with my normal color, and I wanted to change. Nothing against blonde hair, like I loved my blonde hair. But a couple weeks ago, I went back to my girl, and she dyed my hair dark. It's different, especially like a lot darker than my brown hair, but that's okay. The whole point that I'm telling you guys this story is because for the past few weeks I've been using my favorite blonding shampoo and conditioner. Last summer, I would say, was when my hair was at like an all-time high of being blonde, and it's probably because of the sun that was like highlighting my hair, and then also I was using this stuff, and then I kind of stopped using it because it was just making my hair really blonde. But then when I got my hair dyed and it was super dark, I actually went back to the store and I repurchased these, and it's definitely helped me with kind of fading the jet black color that it originally was. And yeah, I don't know how it's looking on camera, but my hair was literally jet black at first. It's definitely faded a little bit now, so it's all good. I'm not complaining whatsoever. But the whole point of me telling you guys this story is if you are someone that wants to add a little bit of natural blonde to your hair, or if you get your hair dyed really dark and you want to lighten it up a little bit, like turn it to that brown color that you were hoping for, I would 100% suggest these John Frieda Sheer Blonde Highlight Activating Shampoo and Conditioners. These are, you can get them from the drugstore for like 10 bucks each, so 20 bucks for the both of them, which is really good. Like, these products work, you guys. They're good for your hair. Conditioner makes your hair so incredibly soft. And I don't want to be called like a hypocrite because I know my hair is really dark and I'm showing you guys this product, but what I'm trying to say is I used these back when I was blonde and they worked, and then they also helped me kind of get a lot of the jet black out of my hair recently. So A+ for these. They definitely saved me a lot this month. The next favorite / thing that happened this month that I want to share with you guys is I got a new phone, and I'm so excited. It was definitely unexpected, but just like I took a tumble, my phone took a tumble at formal, so I had to go get a new phone because my phone was pretty beat. So I decided to just get the iPhone X, the new iPhone. I really like it. I thought I wouldn't like having a home button, but it's definitely something that I've gotten used to. I like how fast it is. I like how big the screen is. It just like there's no more unnecessary white space. I love the camera. I'm gonna try and do more vlogging and just like on the go stuff now that this camera is like really good quality. I definitely would be confident in putting videos up using this camera as well. Also, let me know if you want to see a what's on my iPhone video. I feel like, do people still do those videos? I don't know. I haven't done one in like 5 years, so I would love to do that. Just let me know what you guys want to see. Also, I want to real quick show you guys a few of the songs that I've been jamming to this month. I have a pretty like versatile taste in music, I would say. I kind of just like listen to whatever. So let me go ahead and show you guys those.
Dance with my dogs in the nighttime. Trap. Everything gon' be alright, babe. Been tapping you for a long time. Loving on me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me.
Alright, and then some other things I want to talk to you guys about, which I don't even think I've really talked about this. Literally in less than 2 months, I'm moving to Hawaii for the summer, and I have never been so excited. I got hired with a company, and I'm gonna be an intern with their company. I only have to work about 20 hours a week, which makes me so happy because I want to do a ton of stuff with this channel while I'm there. The past few months I worked my little booty off, and I found the perfect little spot for us to all kind of hang out. I got my own little studio apartment there, and it's right in downtown Waikiki, so I'm so incredibly excited, you guys. So yeah, I just want to kind of like share that with you guys. That's something to look forward to. It's definitely something that is kind of like giving me a motivator for school at the moment. It just feels so good sitting down and talking to you guys right now because I'm pretty stress-free at the moment, so I can actually enjoy it. Whereas if I were to have sat down like 2 weeks ago to try and film this video, all I would be thinking about in my head is like, oh my gosh, I have like this assignment to do. I have to study for this test. Right now, I just feel really good, and thank you guys so much for sticking with me and for all of the love and support. You guys literally mean the world to me. Yeah, I love you guys so much, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye guys.